In a significant escalation of hostilities, Ukrainian drones have reportedly targeted Russian vessels in the Sea of Azov, signaling Kyiv's intention to expand its military operations beyond the Black Sea. The move comes amid ongoing conflict initiated by President Vladimir Putin, with Kyiv delivering strategic strikes on ships and infrastructure belonging to Russia's Black Sea fleet. Recent satellite imagery revealed Russia's strategic response to Ukrainian drone strikes, as at least 18 naval vessels, including patrol and landing ships, were relocated from Novorossiysk to the Sea of Azov. However, these maneuvers failed to shield the vessels, with reports emerging of Ukrainian forces executing a coordinated strike against a Ropucha-class landing ship near the port of Yeysk in Russia's Krasnodar region. While conflicting reports suggest varying targets, including a Vasily Bukov-class patrol ship, the incident underscores the growing vulnerability of Russian maritime assets in the Sea of Azov. The attack, described as a real hunt for the Russian fleet, highlights Kyiv's determination to disrupt Russian operations, particularly in supplying ammunition and resources to occupied territories like Mariupol. In response to the reported strikes, both Ukrainian and Russian defense ministries have been contacted for comment. Meanwhile, additional reports indicate further drone attacks on Russian vessels, including the tugboat Engineer Smirnov and a barge in Taganrog Bay, resulting in minor damage and injuries among crew members. The escalation of tensions in the Sea of Azov raises concerns about the broader implications for regional stability, as both sides engage in increasingly aggressive military maneuvers. With diplomatic efforts to de-escalate the conflict at risk, the situation remains fluid, with potential repercussions for the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. Amidst the European Parliament elections across the European Union over the weekend, significant tremors have reverberated through the bloc's centrist establishment. Notably, France and Germany, the driving force behind Europe's alignment with US foreign policy, are experiencing internal upheavals, particularly in light of President Joe Biden's support for Ukraine and efforts to deter Russian aggression. French President Emmanuel Macron once criticized Kyiv for his perceived leniency towards President Vladimir Putin's maneuvers, has emerged as a leading advocate for deepening NATO's engagement in Ukraine. This includes proposals for potential airstrikes within Russia, the commitment of additional combat aircraft, and the potential deployment of allied troops to Ukraine in non-combat capacity.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.